Hey, so here is my 2002 Honda Superhawk VTR 1000 I have for sale. It is going to sell for $3,000. It has braided brake lines, 90-degree valve stems, LED turn signals. It has shorty levers. It has a second look tank bra. It's a 2002, so it has a different dash and gauges from what a 1998 version has. Fluids have all been changed. Braided clutch line. This is Devil carbon fiber exhaust. It has a gold RK chain and it has JT sprockets front and rear. They have less than 800 miles on them. It has an integrated tail light and brake light, and it has a refurbished Corbin seat. This was a trashed Corbin seat that I sent back to Corbin. It was $500 to have that seat redone. So there's your dash, your gauges, everything works. This is what your turn signals will look like. There's your right turn signal. I've got nothing but idiots contacting me on this bike. I'm hoping it goes to a owner who knows what a Superhawk is. There's a battery tender connector, LED turn signals, LED spot on the front. This is the first time this bike's seen daylight in over a month. It's a Honda. It's not been started yet today. All I did was pulled the choke out. The choke on these are kind of finicky. Sometimes the choke will return itself into the carburetor before the bike's warmed up. But you saw how easy this bike cranks. It hasn't been started in at least a month and a half, 2 months. It's been hidden in the back of my garage. It runs like a Honda, starts like a Honda. This is a nice bike for somebody looking for a Superhawk. The Devil exhaust has a nice rumble to it. When you're hitting 9,000 RPMs, that exhaust screams. It sounds great going through the mountains. Again, all the fluids have been changed on this bike. It's got decent Bridgestone S22 tires. I refurbished this bike personally. I've put 600 to 800 miles on it in the past year. And this bike would really enjoy going to somebody's home who's actually going to take it out and ride it. I have way too many bikes. There's your manual cam chain tensioner for the rear cylinder. It's got one for the front cylinder as well, for you geniuses that ask me about the cam chain tensioner and have no clue what it is. Somebody's going to get a great bike here. So I push the choke all the way in. So here's a nice 2002 VTR 1000. It does have heated grips. It runs great. And I'm about to go ride it in the mountains. So thanks for watching this video. If you're interested, contact me.